Hey, Gary Chappelle here, and just wanted to give this honest review of this box. Now, we have a spare bathroom, so we like to put our litter box in our tub. But this is a great litter box. This is probably the best one we've ever had. This is a stainless steel litter box, which is awesome because it's scratch proof. The litter cleans up easily. With the spatula, it doesn't stick. It's a huge litter box. You can actually fill this up with litter and it'll last about 30 days. Really keeps the odor down too because it's made out of stainless steel. And this comes as a 3-piece litter box. So there's different pieces to it. We had to use it in stages to get our cats to use it. Right now we don't have a flap on here. There's actually a flap that goes in here as well, but our cats didn't like it. They wouldn't go in. So we removed the flap. We're hoping eventually we can add that back in and they'll start using it. But you can use this in various stages. It's got an odor container right here as well, which helps to prevent odors. But let me show you this. You can take this off and try it like this, or you can even remove this part to come off as well and just have the stainless steel piece to get your cats used to it. But as you can see, it's really large, and so it's perfect if you have large cats. It will really work great with them as well. The other thing is you have a little bag holder over here with your litter bags if you want to use that. It also comes with a spatula. So really you got everything that you need. You got your litter bags, your spatula, you've got the odor resistance. It's large. It comes in 3 pieces so that you can get your cats used to it, 1 piece at a time. It's made out of very sturdy material, so it'll last a long time. So very, very happy with it. The cats love it. It works out great, easy to clean. So I would highly recommend it. Thanks.